Early on, India's always been I would say, a competitor. She's always been focused in things that she wants to do, whether it's painting, instruments, sports. So her first sport was soccer. We knew that was her foundation. But also, too, she had other interests. She's played lacrosse, she's played basketball, she's run track, and she's always been a coachable kid/person. And it has never, cried on the field. She would, get sad after a game, tears would come up. But to holler out in pain, that's never happened. So India had never gotten hurt before.
Me and another girl were going up for the ball because it was in the air, and she landed before I did, but she collided with me, and so when I landed, I heard it pop, and I went down to the ground. Same day, they called and said I tore my ACL completely. I couldn't play anything after that.
Initially, I didn't think it would end her career. I knew it would be a challenge to get through.
When they said I had to get surgery, my parents read up on Dr. Voos.
We were very lucky, I think, to have Dr. Voos as her doctor. Dr. Voos, in a very short amount of time, put India's mind at ease. We saw that comfort, that sparkle sort of came back after that first meeting with Dr. Voos.
He showed me my MRI and where it was torn and all that kind of stuff. He made sure that he made the incision as small as possible, leave a small scar. And he took his time and did a good job. My senior year, I played soccer. I was able to kick for the football team, and I ran track. And not once did I worry about my knee giving out at all. I wouldn't have been able to get a scholarship if it wasn't for Dr. Voos fixing up my ACL.
Yeah, she's had some great athletic trainers, some great coaches. We try and motivate her as family and friends, but at the same time, none of that would have been possible. What she's done, what she's accomplished, I'll say just in her senior year, without the expertise of Dr. Voos.